Have you ever opened your refrigerator, looked inside, and thought, there's nothing to eat? Then a few moments later, you realize the refrigerator is actually full. The problem wasn't that you had no food. You just didn't have a plan. Believe it or not, that's exactly how most business owners feel about creating content. They think they've run out of ideas. But the real problem isn't ideas. It's organization. If you've ever stared at a blank screen wondering, what should I post today? This video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you a simple way to plan 52 weeks of content without running out of ideas. And the best part? You don't need expensive software. You don't need a marketing degree. You just need a simple system. Here's the biggest mindset shift. Stop thinking like a marketer and start thinking like a teacher. Imagine someone knows absolutely nothing about your business. Would you try to teach them everything in one lesson? Of course not. You'd start with one simple idea, then another, and another. That's exactly how great content works. Every post answers one question, and every answer naturally leads to the next question. Instead of asking, what should I post today? Ask yourself, what do I help people accomplish? Let's say your business is email marketing. That isn't just one topic. It's dozens of smaller lessons. How to choose an email service. How to create a sign-up form. How to write a welcome email. How to grow your subscriber list. How to improve open rates. Just like that, you've created weeks of valuable content from one single subject. The same idea works for almost every business. If you teach Facebook marketing, don't explain everything at once. Create one post about setting up a business page, another about writing better posts, another about choosing better photos, another about responding to comments. Each lesson becomes another week of content. Now organize those ideas. Keep it simple. Monday, teach one marketing basic. Tuesday, share one helpful tool. Wednesday, answer a frequently asked question. Thursday, tell a customer success story. Friday, share one quick marketing when people can use today. Now you're no longer wondering what to post. You're simply following a plan. Here's something many business owners overlook. Your audience is constantly giving you new content ideas. Every time someone asks, how do I do that? Can you explain that again? What's the easiest way? They're handing you your next piece of content. Listen carefully. Your customers will tell you exactly what they want to learn. And here's one final reminder. Don't worry about repeating yourself. Most people never saw your last post. And even if they did, hearing the same idea from a different angle often helps it finally click. Teachers repeat. Coaches repeat. Great marketers do the same. So here's your challenge. Choose one topic you know well. Write down 10 questions people ask you about it. Those 10 questions could become the beginning of your content calendar. And before you know it, you'll have enough ideas to keep creating content all year long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to turn those ideas into a simple content calendar you can build in less than 30 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.